A good idea is not uncommon. What's uncommon is the courage and commitment necessary to turn that idea into a reality. This core belief stands behind everything we do at ICS Medical Devices. Every day, we combine our catheter design expertise with your ideas, courage, and commitment. And together, we develop products to revolutionize the medical device landscape. We are an industry-leading catheter technology engineering firm, a team of engineers, designers, and experts committed to guiding your idea from initial design right through to product launch. If you are an entrepreneur or an innovator with a passion to see your medical device therapy have an impact on the world, then we want to work with you. For design inspiration, a quick-turn prototype, design development, validation, or scale manufacturing, ICS Medical Devices helps to guide and accelerate your product along its development lifecycle. All projects have unique requirements, but remaining constant are our rapid response rates, concise engineering input, engineer-to-engineer communication, and our ability to anticipate and react quickly to market opportunities. ICS Medical Devices is based in Galway, Ireland's medical device hub, so we're centrally located to serve the medical device industry globally. Our customers are our priority. We are committed to helping you to succeed and thrive in a fast-paced medical device landscape. And we take great pride and satisfaction from seeing your product enjoy success in the field. Contact us at ICS Medical Devices to get our team involved in your project today. ICS Medical Devices. Your priority, our purpose.